California Academy of Science. In this opportunity, I want to talk about the California Academy of Science, a huge museum built using sustainable design. Located in the Golden Gate Park in San Francisco, this project was designed by the architect Brent Sopiano as a replacement of the old Academy of Science destroyed by the Loma Prieta earthquake in 1989. The construction began in 2005, a masterpiece of ecologic awareness, blends seamlessly into the park's natural setting, have the technology necessary to generate energy, recycle water, provide comfort, and optimize the spaces in the museum. The series of innovation in sustainable design create a natural ecosystem that surrounds and insulates the building. It's an elegant building with glass walls and 10,000 square meters of wavy roof, in homage to the hills of San Francisco. It's a green roof covered with native plants and flowers, and serves to keep cool inside the building. It also has gates and blinds controlled with a computer systems that are open and closed to maintain temperature within the enclosure and facilitate the passage of the breeze of the Pacific. Different features and systems of the building permit reduce energy and water consumption. On the one hand, thanks to having been designed with passive temperature control and ventilation, and the number of windows and skylights implemented that take advantage of sunlight, the building uses 30 to 35% less energy than a conventional building. On the other hand, with the 60,000 photovoltaic cells installed on the glass canopy that surrounds the museum roof, providing almost 213,000 kilowatt-hours of clean energy per year, can provide up to 15% of the energy demand of the building. Finally, the roof is also able to collect 13 million liters of rain per year, which is reused. Other systems that are less visible but also help to generate energy are automatic faucet services. As water flows, it moves a small turbine that generates electrical energy to charge the battery that allows the tap to work. All devices are saving water and using reclaimed water from the city of San Francisco for the toilets, which will reduce potable water use for conversion into wastewater in a 90%. Salt water for the aquarium is pumped from the nearby Pacific Ocean, minimizing the use of potable water for facilities. That water also is purified with a natural system and recycled. In terms of reducing the environmental impact of transport, the Academy of Science has secure parking for bikes and a recharging station for electric vehicles. Employees are encouraged to make use of public transport systems to go to the work, and 20% of all materials and products used in the building have been manufactured at a distance less than 500 miles, reducing emissions associated with transportation and supporting local economy. It is now considered the museum complex greener in the world, since it's the largest public building owner of the Platinum LEED certification, the highest score that can be obtained by LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, driven by Green Building Council. Recycled building materials. Over 90% of the materials used in the construction were recycled for the previous building. For example, 12,000 tons of steel was recycled, 9,000 tons of concrete were used for the construction of major roads, and 120 tons of biodegradable waste was recycled in situ. At least 50% of the goods comes from sustainable managed forests and is certified according to the principles of the Forest Stewardship Council. For the steel structure of the building was used recycled steel, and wall insulation is made from recycled denim clothing. The green roof. The vegetation used in the living roof covers 2.5 acres and consists of 9 different species of plants native to the region of California that don't require artificial irrigation, so that maintenance and supply of the natural resources outside the systems is minimal or zero. Plants, flowers, and berries attract native species, insects, birds, among others, and are beneficial for the ecosystems. In this building, we can see a lot of technology used to produce a sustainable complex, since the material used for the construction until a considerable diminution in the energy requirements, the California Academy of Science is a perfect model for the architect with a green awareness. Sustainable design is a way of assuming our responsibility to our planet. We can prevent the damage, or at least we can decrease the rate of the degradation. The preservation of the nature and the care of the earth is everyone's job.